Hi friends! Today in math we're going to talk about some positional words. And they're words that you've probably used before or you might already know, but we're going to get a lot of practice with them this week. So I have two containers of Play-Doh and I have Xander's friend Jerry. He's going to help me demonstrate these words. So the first words that I want to use for you are over and above. So if Jerry is like this, he is over the Play-Doh, or you could also say he is above the Play-Doh. If I put him like this, now he's under the Play-Doh. If he's touching it, he is now sitting on the Play-Doh. If I move him so that he's in the middle of these two, he's now in between the Play-Doh. If he comes over here, he's now sitting beside the Play-Doh. Or next to. You could say next to or beside. Now he is in front of the Play-Doh. Now he is behind the Play-Doh. And two more words that we like to use to describe our location or position is near and far. So if he's close to the Play-Doh, he's near the Play-Doh. Right now he's near the Play-Doh. If I move him away, he's now far from the Play-Doh. Near the Play-Doh, far from the Play-Doh. Okay, these are called positional words. They help us describe location when we're talking about certain things, when we're asking for something or when we're showing somebody how to do something. And throughout this week, you're going to use some different things to help you practice these positional words, and we'll do some practice together. Say bye, Jerry. Bye. Bye, guys.